Mastering Annotated Bibliographies, a step-by-step guide. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a vital skill for research, creating an annotated bibliography. This skill not only helps organize your sources but also deepens your understanding of the materials. Stay tuned as we take you through the process, step by step. An annotated bibliography is a list of citations for various books, articles, and other sources on a topic. But it's not just any list. Each citation is followed by a brief descriptive and evaluative paragraph. This paragraph is the annotation, and it explains the relevance, accuracy, and quality of the sources cited. You might wonder, why should I create an annotated bibliography? First, it helps you critically think about the content and usefulness of your sources. Second, it gives an overview of the research available, helping you identify gaps or areas of contention. Lastly, it's a useful step towards writing a literature review or research paper, ensuring you have a strong foundation for your arguments. Each annotation in your bibliography typically includes 1. Citation, properly formatted according to your designated style, e.g., APA, MLA, Chicago. 2. Summary, a brief description of the content and main arguments. 3. Evaluation, your assessment of the source's credibility, relevance, and potential bias. 4. Reflection, how this source fits into your research, or why it might be useful. 1. Start early. Research takes time. Begin your search early to give yourself ample time to review sources. 2. Choose relevant sources. Not all sources will fit your topic. Select those that provide valuable insights. 3. Write citations first. Always start by writing the full citation. This ensures you don't miss out on key details. 4. Draft the annotations. Follow the components mentioned above. Keep it concise, aiming for about 150 words. 5. Review and refine. Go back and review each annotation. Ensure clarity and check for any errors. Diversify your sources. Mix academic articles, books, websites, and more. This gives a well-rounded view. Stay organized. Consider using tools like reference managers to keep track. Always update. Research is ongoing. Periodically check if there are new sources or updates to consider. Seek feedback. It's always good to have another set of eyes. Ask peers or mentors to review your annotated bibliography. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an annotated bibliography. We hope this video equips you to curate and annotate your research sources effectively. Remember, it's not just about listing sources but understanding and evaluating them. Happy researching, and until next time, keep learning.